Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jewel and I am dealing with ICSE syllabus. I am going to introduce the first chapter of English lesson. And who is happy? And this is of class 4. Who is happy? The story is about a crow called Piku who starts comparing himself with other birds. Read how Piku learns that the key to happiness is to be satisfied with what we have. In the story, Piku is always comparing himself with other birds, and at last Piku learns that you should be happy with what you have. Piku the crow is satisfied in his life. He is gifted with a clever mind, a strong beak and tough body, and wings to fly in the sky. Oh, I am the happiest bird in the world. Even humans tell the story of the clever crow to their children. So Piku is telling that Piku is the happiest bird in the world because even the humans tell the story of the clever crow to their children. One day, Piku sees Sona, the beautiful white swan. He suddenly feels that the swan looks more beautiful. Hello Sona, you are the prettiest bird. I wish I could be like you. You must be the happiest bird in the world. So Piku sees Sona the white swan and Piku feels that the white swan is very beautiful. And Piku is saying that I wish I could be like you. Then what is Sona telling? I was the happiest till I saw Mittu the lovely parrot. Oh, Mittu's green coat and red beak make her look so attractive. She looks more beautiful than me. See, my white feathers make me look so plain and dull. Even my beak is pale. So Sona is saying she thought that she was the happiest bird in the world, but all her thoughts went wrong when she saw Mittu the parrot, because Mittu's green coat and red beak makes her look more beautiful. See, and Sona is telling that Sona is looking so plain and dull. Even her beak is very pale. Then Piku goes to meet Mittu. Hello, you are blessed with such a bright colored body. Your green feathers makes you look beautiful and red beak looks attractive. You must be the happiest bird in the world. Then you can see in the picture that Piku is talking to Mittu the parrot, and Piku is telling, your green feathers makes you look so beautiful and your red beak is very attractive. You must be the happiest bird in the world. That time what is the parrot telling? Oh Piku, thank you for praising me. I also felt the same until I met Krish, who is a peacock. He has many colors on his feathers. On a rainy day, I saw him in the forest. You know, he had spread his tail to dance. He looked majestic. I am jealous of the peacock's beauty as it makes me forget my own. So Mittu the parrot is saying that Mittu thought that Mittu is the prettiest bird in the world. But all her thoughts went wrong when Mittu saw the peacock. Because on a rainy day, Mittu saw the parrot spreading its tail to dance, and he was looking so majestic. I am jealous of the peacock's beauty, as it makes me forget my own. Piku does not find the peacock in the nearby forest. The peacock has been caught and put in the zoo. See, Piku did not find peacock in the forest when she went. The peacock was kept in the zoo. Piku visits Krish in the zoo and sees that peacock's cage is surrounded by hundreds of people. They have come to admire his beauty. When Peacock visited the zoo, what did Piku see? Hundreds of people are surrounded the peacock's cage and they have come to admire his beauty. Admire means praise her beauty, to look at her beauty. Did you see the picture? See, hundreds of people. As the sun goes down, the people leave the zoo and go home. Piku goes to the peacock. Good evening, Krish. You are the most beautiful bird. People visit the zoo to admire your beauty. I have been here all day long, but none of the visitors looked at me. Alas, I am not as beautiful as you are. Tell me, Krish, how does it feel to be most beautiful bird on the planet? You must be very happy. See, Piku's talking. Piku's saying that you are the most beautiful bird I have seen. People come to the zoo to admire your beauty. I wish I could be like you. I have been here all day long and no visitors were looking at me. Alas, I am not beautiful like you. Tell me, Peacock, how does it feel to be beautiful bird on the planet? You must be very happy. Now, what is the peacock replying? I was always proud of my beauty, but my beauty made me unhappy. People visit me and admire, but I am not free. I am like a beautiful prisoner. It is the freedom that gives real joy and happiness, and not your beauty. Dear Crow, you must be happy that you are free and not in a cage like me. So, what is Peacock saying? Peacock is saying, I thought I was very proud of my beauty, but it is my beauty that made me unhappy. People come and visit me and admire my beauty, but I am not free. I am not free like you. I am like a beautiful prisoner. It is the freedom that gives us joy and happiness, and not beauty. Dear Crow, you must be happy that you are not in a cage like me. Piku realizes that we make unnecessary comparisons with others and become sad. At last, Piku is studying a lesson Piku learns a lesson that we always make unnecessary comparison with other people and become sad. We don't value what we have. We must know that we too have got some value, importance. All this will lead to unhappiness. So, when you compare yourself with others, you will be only sad. You should never do like that. And everybody have got their own value, and all this will lead to unhappiness. The moral of the story is, value the things you have. It will make you happy. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my teaching.